On how to install the swing clock with music box. The first step is to install the movement in the rocker. The second step is to put the rubber pad on the product and fix it on the product. On the shelf, put the washer, the fixing nut. After tightening by hand, turn it half a turn with pliers. The third step is to connect the speaker cable port to the music box. The music box can be fixed anywhere on the product. The speaker can be packed in a box. The fourth step is to connect the dotted line of the quartz clock movement to the line of the music box. Test whether the dots are normal. See if the music box is ringing normally. Then test the position of the hour when the clock travels. Turn the knob of the time until the horn sounds. Step is to align the hour and minute hands at 12 o'clock and install them in parallel. Turn the knob of the time clockwise by 1 hour. Check whether the hour and minute hands are installed correctly. When the minute hand reaches 12 o'clock, the horn and the music box sound indicates that the installation is correct. Step 3. After installing the second hand, install the clock battery and rocker battery. If there is a pendulum, just hang the pendulum on it. When you go normally, the installation is complete.